So welcome to another video on my channel. Today we are going through intersection points with the coordinate axis. I have 4 different types, and yeah, let's begin. The first thing we need to know is what we have to do to find the intersection with the x-axis, so here. So when a function is going through the x-axis, it means that the epsilon value is 0, because when it's go through here or here, doesn't matter, the y-coordinate is 0. So in this case, we have to set the function 0. So f of x must be equal to 0, and then we have to search for x. So we are looking for x, and this is then the x coordinate here, maybe, or here, or here. And when we are looking for the intersection with the y-axis, then our x is 0, because if we're going up and down here, our x is 0, because x is only on this x here, so not here. Yeah, so that means we need f of 0, and this gives us the intersection with the y axis. Good, so let's start with the first one. Put it a little bit down. Okay, so maybe we can draw a little sketch. Doesn't need to be detailed. 1/2 x plus 2, so first thing 2, and it looks maybe like this. So first we put, doesn't matter what you do first, but maybe we first search for the intersection with the y-axis, so f of 0 equals then 1/2 times 0 plus 2, and this is just 2. You can see the see it here, 2 is this part here, so we go 2 up, and that's where our intersection with the y-coordinate is, y-axis. And for this point here, we need to equal the function to 0. So 0 equals to 1/2 x plus 2. So that gives us minus 2. Minus 2 equals to 1/2 x. Then we divide by 1/2 minus 4. So divided by 1/2 is the same as times 2. Good, so this here is at 4. And yes, so for this here, the point is at 0, 2, and this point here is at -4, 0. Because the 0 is 0 here, because we are on the x-axis, so the y is 0. And yes, let's go further on with this one here. Oh. as we did. So maybe we can draw a little sketch to have it better in mind. This is a normal parable with it, which is put down by 4, so here, so -4. This is the intersection with the y coordinates, so we have the at 0 and -4. And for the two intersections with the x-axis, we have to equal to 0 the function, so 0 equals x squared minus 4, so plus 4 is equal to 4 equals x squared. Take the root, and this gives us x equals to plus or minus 2. So our point, we have 2 points. Our point 1 is at 2, 0, and our second point is at -2, 0. Now we have here -2 and here 2. Good. Make this, so we put the x outside, so 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So the first intersection with the x-axis is at 0, because when we plug in here 0 here, then the whole term gets 0, so 0 position, and then we have to put the quadratic formula on here. So our x1 equals to 0. First 0 position, I mean. I got 0 position 1. Oh. So, and then we have to put this in the quadratic formulas. So this is a, b, and c, minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2 divided by 2 times 3. This is our 0 position 2 and 3. This is the same as minus 5 plus minus. This here is 25, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, so 25 minus 24 is equal to 1, so the square root of 1 is just 1, so this gives us plus 1 divided by 6, and this is 5 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 6, and minus 5 minus 1 divided by 6. So this is, the first is 4 over 6, we can cancel 2 out, so 2/3, and this here is just -1. So we have 3 0 positions here and here. These are the 0 positions at the x-axis, and now it's pretty easy for the y-axis. So f of 0 equals 3 times 0 to the 3rd power plus 5 times 0 to the 2nd power plus 2 times 0. There's everything is 0, so it's just 0. So our intersection with the y coordinate is just at 0. So intersection is at the point 0, 0. Yes, and here it's at point 2/3, 0, 0.1, and point 2 is at -1, 0. The f of 0 equals 6 divided by 0 minus 3 minus 3. This is equal to 6 minus this is, we cancel the 3 out, so this gives us 1 and 2, so this is just 2, minus 3 is minus 5. Now we have the point, the intersection is at the point 0, minus 5. And now for the intersection with the x-axis, we equal the function to 0, 6 x minus 3 minus 3, so plus 3. Equals to 6 divided 6 over x minus 3 times x minus 3. Don't forget the brackets. So 3 times x minus 3 equals 6. Some way. So multiply this out. 3x minus 9 equals 6. Plus 9. 3x equals to 15 divided by 3x equals to 5. So our intersection with the x-axis is at the point 5, 0. Yeah, I hope you learned something, and if you want to know other themes, then let me know in the comments, and see you.